In this section, we'll see some sample CVs. We are discussing some 4 or 5 different CVs and mistakes done while writing these CVs. Let us discuss these few sample CVs. See, look at name and other contact details are purposely masked. But look at the photo here. You can have your photo, but then photo should be formal. It should not be something like you are with nature and something like that. A simple photo which you will click for passport activity, something like that, passport photo should be used here. Then the objective. Here it is expected that you should mention or you should write your career objectives. So use proper words. Look at here. What is mentioned here? I am looking for a challenging job. So are you looking for a job or are you looking for a career? Corporates or company people will not prefer to candidates who are just looking job. Here we are supposed to do the career. So while writing this your objective, you use proper words. So do not use the words like jobs. You mention the word like career. Look at here next section under education. It is 2019 12th Science Shivaji University Kolhapur. Important thing is Shivaji University doesn't conduct the examination for 12th Science. So if you have done 12th Science from particular board, you can write the name of that board. And then what is mentioned here is mechanical E second year mechanical engineering in college name. Look at here, instead of mechanical E, you mention mechanical engineering or second year of mechanical engineering, and college name you write properly the college name. So it should be capital. First alphabet of each word should be capital. Write your college name properly. At the same time, look at here 6.4. What is it 6.4? If it is a CGPA at first year level or third semester level, you mention that. Now under skills, you mention computer knowledge in C and C++. What the competency of knowledge you have, you just mention C and C++. Till what depth you have this knowledge. Another aspect is, look at here. Working on machine means what? Which machine? Lathe machine, milling machine, cutting machine, or what? So you should mention the skills very properly. Look at the project. Garbage collecting robot. From name it looks like you have developed a garbage collecting robot. This is one type of robot. Their humans have not been. See, look at the sentence. It doesn't make any particular sense. If the candidate has developed this robo, then write 2 to 3 sentences related to this robo, that what it is doing and what objective of designing this particular robo and what objectives you got. Then next is the section of languages. English, Marathi, Hindi, read English, Marathi, Hindi. So it is also not making any sense. So write here the properly. You can mention English, Marathi, Hindi, then read, write, speak, read, write, speak, something like that. You can write in your CV. Let us look at another CV. The photo is very much formal, appropriate. You should have this kind of the photo. Of course, only the height of the photo should be minimal. As I mentioned, we have mask, name, contact number, and face of the person. Here, education, it is mentioned SSC and the percentage, year of passing, very good. All these things are mentioned here. Look at here, the mistake as DSC pursuing. Of course, after diploma only one has taken the admission. So pursuing means what? That also need to be identified. Come to the skills section. Skills highlights, technicals. How can one have technical skills? If it is a particular domain related, if student is of mechanical engineering, then whether you have technical skills related to the software or technical skills related to some machine design, all those things should be mentioned. Team working is fine, presentation, okay, problem solving and communication. So here, instead of just mentioning communication, you mention good communication skills. Now look at next section, achievements. Internship at Reliance Industries Limited. See, this cannot be the achievement. The student has written this under the achievement section. Under achievement section, you should write whatever achievements you have got. The participation in MSBT state paper presentation competition held in Pune also cannot be achievement. Here, if the candidate has got some award, then it can be mentioned as an achievement. These things can be mentioned in technical activities that undergone internship in Reliance Industries Limited. That too, mention here the duration when one has undergone this. Likewise, under hobby section, designing is mentioned. Say designing cannot be the hobby. Photography can be hobby. Astronomy, blogging can be hobby. But then at the same time, again here, writing comes under blogging. If blogging is your hobby, then definitely you are writing. So no need to mention writing separately. Then under project section, comparison of pneumatic engine with electric and internal combustion engine with practical working. So this is also not proper. What is the objective of the project or what is the title of the project? And after writing the title or objective of the project, what you got after doing this, what your study says, that also you should write it in one or two or maximum three sentences. Analysis and report on recent advancement in ACR Machining Private Limited. So what you got after analysis, that also need to be written here. So likewise, you should make changes into CV. Look at the another CV. Look at the career objective to work for an organization which provide me an opportunity to improve my skills and knowledge to grow with the organization. See, what is your role into the organization? You want organization to provide opportunities so that you can improve your skills and knowledge. But the candidate has not mentioned that what candidate will contribute for the growth of organization. So when you are writing career objective, be careful of that. This is perfectly fine. Education, only thing is here you mention it specifically SSC. So X doesn't mean that. Here the college name is written very much properly, but here you write complete name of the college. Don't write the abbreviations or short forms. Then look at the technical skills. Just mention as a CAD and CATIA. But then till what competency level you have got this technical skills? What is the depth of knowledge you got with this? Till what point you can design using these two tools? Internships. Kranti Agrani, GD Bapu Lad, Sahakari Sakar Karkhana. But what you have done there as an internship? Which section of this sugar factory you have worked, whether you work in milling section or whether you work in mill house or whether you work with boiler section or whether you work with some other section, and what is the duration when you have done this internship. All these things should be mentioned here in detail. Project is mentioned as project name is this particular name is mentioned, and detail is made automated tricycle using motor control unit. But what is the weight carrying capacity, whether it is just a demo model or actual thing, all those things should be necessarily to be mentioned. So when you are explaining project, explain it in two 3 or 4 sentences so that interviewer will get an idea that what actually you have contributed. Then next section is strengths and skills, ability to work in a team, leadership, easy adaptable to any situation, good in planning and analytics. Basically good in planning and analytic if you are mentioning, then it is a part of a leadership. Rather, these are the characteristics of the leadership. So there is no need to repeat this. Smart worker. Okay. The next is motivated in stressful condition. Okay, this you can write as a strength. Fine. Hobby is learning new things. What part? Technical, non-technical, what you are learning. So specify it. Swimming is fine. Fitness is also fine. But then are you regularly gymming? Think of it. Extracurricular activities participated. So look at the word participant. Don't write word like this participant. No. Participated in college technical events. But then college technical event should not come here as an extracurricular activity. That should come under the technical activities. Working in NGO activities. So which NGO, what is the name and what activities you have worked, all those things should be detailed here. Name, then date of birth is fine, address is fine, language is known is fine. Declaration, put your name and signature here. Look at the another CV. As you know, we have masked this, but then here the photograph is expected. So passport kind of a photograph should have been here. Career objective, to secure a challenging position in reputable organization, to expand my learning, knowledge and skills, secure a responsible career opportunity, to fully utilize my training and skills while making a significant contribution to success of the company. Very good written here. First part, what I am expecting from the organization, and second part, what I am going to contribute for the organization. Minor changes are required, but this is a good career objective. But here, absolutely it is not necessary to mention year-wise the results, because if this is a CGPA, then it mentions that this is the cumulative result. Then look at the technical skills, programming skills, basic knowledge of C and C++, very correctly mentioned, basic knowledge. Okay. Then as well, basic knowledge of MATLAB. This is also very correctly mentioned. Other skills, teamwork skills, leadership skills, collaboration skills, decision making skills. Okay, fine. These are written as a skills. Is okay. Then co-curricular activities, work as a coordinator for Lakshya at ADCET. Again here, don't write the abbreviation. And what is Lakshya? So it should be something like work as a coordinator for Lakshya 2K17, a annual technical festival at ADCET Ashta. So instead of ADCET, at Anna Sahib Lange College of Engineering and Technology Ashta. That way it should have been written. Participated in world trip at Government College of Engineering Karad. Okay, these are the things mentioned. Very good that you mentioned when the activity has been carried out also. Successfully completed 14 days internships in Maharashtra State Electricity Transmission Company Limited O&M division in May 19 is okay. Then personal details okay. Only thing is here you should write the date and the name and signature. That is essential. Look at another CV, quite comfortable here. Personal details we have hided these, we have masked these things. Photo is also masked, but then complete formal photograph as expected, it is here. Career objectives are mentioned. Looking forward to an opportunity for working dynamic, challenging environment where I can update my skills and utilize them for developing my career and growth of organization. So I will be developing myself. I will make use of organization for my development as well. I will look into the growth of the organization also. Very much balanced career objective. This way it should be written. Then education, okay, in reverse chronological order, it is written 15, 17 and 21. SSC, HSC and here it is BTech. Only thing is college name should not be abbreviated. It can be, it should be in full form. Then experience, it is mentioned, experience, internship experience is mentioned. Completed industrial training on manufacturing of relay module in cool care controls. So what is done and where it is done and during what is also mentioned. Very good. One in one winter vacation, one internship is done. Second internship is also done in another winter vacation. These are the projects done mentioned here. Made smart system for controlling water walls using GSM and Arduino. So this is the title of the project. Then another title of the project. Here one could have been written 2-3 lines about this. 2-3 lines about this, that could have been better. Under achievement, second prize in poster presentation in second year, but at what level it is, intercollegiate level, intra college or at university level, that should have been mentioned. Skills, technical skills, C programming, but then till what depth is need to be mentioned. Here it is mentioned basics of Intel 8051 microcontroller programming, schematic design using multisim software is mentioned. Okay, strengths mentioned as a leadership capability, good team player, then good at explaining and focused. So is good. Strength are written, only thing is it can be narrated differently, more effectively. Under hobbies it is mentioned as a traveling is hobby, very good, but then at the time of interview you may get questions on this hobby as a traveling. So where you travel generally, when you travel last, so that time you should mention the location where you travel, the objective of that travel, all that. Then declaration is given, then same thing here, date and the name and signature should be here. So these are some sample CVs.